Hi guys, hope you're doing well and keeping safe. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vipul and you're watching the Consumer Jockey. Now I had not planned for this video, but this thing just arrived in the mail and I thought I'll share the unboxing video with you all. So yeah, let's get started. Now I don't have a fancy unboxing knife, but the good old scissors will just do fine, I guess. Okay, this has been ordered from the Samsung shop directly, and there was a deal on the Tab S6. This particular model is the LTE one, so it's a corporate offer. I'll post the corporate link in the description box. You can check it out, but do know that you will need a corporate email ID to access these deals. Lots of bubble wrap. Okay, as you can see, this is the Galaxy Tab S6. This is the 128 GB LTE variant. This usually retails at about 63,000 on Amazon and Flipkart. There is a current deal wherein you can get this for 59,000 on the Samsung store, but if you have a corporate email ID and you avail the corporate offers, you can get it for 57,000. Let's get this box out of the way, and here it is. All right, just cut open the seals. All right. Okay. Okay, here is the tab, and it's all covered. First impressions, it's really lightweight. I mean, you will not say that this is a tablet. I mean, yeah. Okay, keep this to the side. Let's check out what else do we have in the box. This is a charger. Yes, this has adaptive fast charging. This is, I think, the same one that came with my Note 9. We have a SIM ejector tool because this has not only expandable memory but also a SIM card slot. What else do we have in here? Just some books and a user manual. All right. Something else in here. Oh, okay, I know what this is. This is the tool to take out the tips of the S Pen. So I can see 2 extra tips in there. Yeah, there's a white and there's a black. And this end is used to eject the tips. If they get spoiled or you need to change them. Let's keep that to the side. And this, I believe, is the USB Type-C cable. Yeah. That's the data cable. All right, and here we have the S Pen. It's a nice S Pen, feels good in the hand. I'm sure you can do a lot of drawing and coloring with this S Pen. So yes, let's open the tab. And wow, this is just amazing. Alright, so let's quickly look around the tablet. So up front you have the 10.5-inch display. It's a Quad HD display, and then you have the camera and the sensor here on the top of the top or the right hand side of the tablet, you have the power button, the volume rocker, and this is the mic, and then you have the SIM tray and the slot for the expandable memories. Now at the bottom we have two speakers and your USB Type-C port. Here you have the dock to connect the tablet to a keyboard, and these are just two slots which will fit in the keyboard dock, and two more speakers here, and then and also a mic. Behind we have two cameras. The first one is an ultra wide camera with a f2.2 aperture and a 123-degree field of view, and this one is a wide angle camera with an f2.0 aperture and a 80-degree field of view. Here you have a slot where you can store your S Pen. It just fits in there like this, and the fit is pretty decent. I mean, yeah, it just snaps on in place and it would not fall. Now the tab is very light, it's just 420 grams. So one unique part about this tablet is that it has 4 speakers, so you're supposed to get a very immersive sound, and of course the AMOLED screen. So I'm going to set this up, play with it a while, and then I'll report back to you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay home, stay safe, and if you like the video, leave a like and please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.